how to choose where your files get saved when recording streams in OBS. So from the right hand side or bottom right hand corner within OBS, go ahead and click on the little settings option that you see there. And from there, the pop-up that will come up will have a bunch of different settings tabs on the left. Go ahead and go to the one that says output. Then from here, if you go down from the streaming tab to the recording tab and then select on recording path and you select on browse, you can then select which file path or folder path that you want to save your files in. Unfortunately, of course, I am recording a video right now with OBS, so I'm not going to be able to edit it, but that is where you go about making that change. And that is how you change the file/recording path in OBS.